Why is my dishwasher not cleaning?
It won't if you do not turn it on.
I do turn it on and it still won't clean.
Is your dishwasher getting paused by family that do not want it keeping them up at night? Or is your toddler pushing buttons like mommy and turning it off?
I do run it late to save on the electric bill, but I do not think that's the cause.
A lot of energy and water-efficient dishwashers do not wash the heavy gunk off, so you're left running it twice or pre-rinsing.
I've heard the same thing said when we had to get rid of dishwasher soap with phosphorus, because it broke down grease better than the newer soaps.
And a lot of people have to do the heavy-duty cycle to get the dishes clean, instead of running the dishwasher twice through the full wash cycle.
I've already tried heavy-duty cycles.
You could make sure you're using a rinse agent to supplement the dish soap. And I assume you are not using so much soap, and that's what is actually caked on the dishes when the cycle is done.
That would be obvious from the white powder or light-colored muck left on them.
If you have really hard water, you could have hard water stains on the dishes.
I'm seeing poor cleaning with the dishes, not just spots on glasses.
The water could be so hard that the dishwasher has a hard time utilizing the soap well.
How do you fix that?
Short of a water softener, I do not know.
I have to clean the lime away in the shower sometimes, but it is not like we don't bother with mineral water because what comes out of the tap already counts.
Then check the dishwasher drain. If that's semi-clogged, it won't drain the food residue away well.
Oh, yuck.
Cleaning the dishwasher drain can be nasty.
No, the idea that I wash dishes in water with yesterday's leftovers in it.
It could be the mesh over the drain that catches the big stuff, or an accumulation of little stuff in the drain, or a big wad of mashed potatoes. You do not know until you check.
That's worth paying a plumber to avoid doing.
You could also have a drain hose that's kinked so it doesn't drain all the food residue down the drain properly.
Do you have any less disgusting reasons it is not cleaning well?
You're trying to be so efficient in loading it that the dishwasher cannot do it well with all the dishes crammed in there.
So try more loads and skip the water and energy efficiency.
Well, there's no point in doing like they do with low-flow toilets, flushing 3 times as many times to save half the water.